Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 11th and I just wanted to do a very fast little video just showing the pumpkin seeds that I started off back on March the 4th. I just checked my notes to make sure, so yes. So I started off 3 seeds and 2 of them germinated. This one has failed to germinate. So that was March the 4th. So I've started it off, I'm going to do hydroponics right from the get-go. I have placed the 2 seeds that started off, the little root was about that long on each one of them, so I've put them into these little pods, threw in some the little clay pellets, and then started it off with the water and that fertilizer, that nutrient. So I'm just going to open this up. So I've got that just low enough that it's touching the bottom of those 2 little pods. So there are no roots right now. Oh yeah, there's a couple of roots right there, just starting off. So they're actually starting to find that solution, that nutrient. So there we go. So I just want to zoom in a little bit just so we can see that. So I've just placed these on some little containers because my camera is actually mounted on the ceiling. But I'm just going to tilt this up and you can see that we've got a little bit of growth going on right now. So I just wanted to lock this in so that I have some good note-taking on how long these little plants start, to take, like when they start developing. And I'll just go back to, we'll zoom back out again, and then I'm just going to show you what these produce. So here we started off with this, and that will eventually become this large plant. And right now I have switched over from nutrients. I've gone to just plain water, and I have not been giving these direct sunlight probably now for a week and a half at least, because I don't know what to do with this plant. We still have snow outside. We still have below freezing temperatures. Like this morning we had a little bit of snow, but you can see that the crazy amount of growth. I mean, look at these little feeler stems that are coming out now. These are all brand new. I just noticed these the other day. But there's a lot of activity, even with not getting any nutrients anymore. And so I did not take good notes when I started these off, so I wanted to make sure that I have that on video for when I'm starting these off. So we'll see what happens, because I'm probably just going to let this plant die off and then, just continue the experiment with the two new ones here. So, oh, maybe I should just lift this out and show you the roots on here. This is insane, the amount of roots. I can't lift it right out because I won't be able to get it back in. Look at this. I'm new to hydroponics, so it's just mind-boggling. When you see this in real life, and you can watch it on YouTube videos or on Instagram or wherever, but until you actually do it yourself, it's it's kind of a neat thing to see. Anyway, there we go. So that really is it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.